Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on it, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got three different options. Currently we've got 1080p option applied, we've got also 720p and 4K. In order to set the resolution we have to simply tap on the option, so let me pick 4K. As you can see, this icon will show you which one you've got currently set, and it simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.